Meaning of final.
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 Final. Final is an adjective that describes the last or ultimate stage of something. It indicates that no further changes or adjustments will be made, and that the outcome is definitive. In the context of a competition or exam, final refers to the ultimate round or test that determines the winner or the passing grade. In legal proceedings, final signifies the conclusive decision or judgment that cannot be appealed. Overall, final denotes a definitive and conclusive conclusion or outcome that marks the end of a process or event.